Okay, selamat sejahtera to Madam Su. Okay, me and my group member today want to present about this project. Okay, so this project called Borang Penamaan Calon. Okay. Okay, firstly I will introduce about this main form that we create. Okay, as you guys can see, as Madam can see, there are several menu like bukti-bukti calon kelayakan, kelab atau persatuan dalam politeknik dan luar politeknik, and lastly pecadang dan penyokong calon. Okay, so in this form I will present the form 1 and form 2. Okay, so form 2 is look like this, and they have a save button and clear button and also home button. Home button is when we click the home button, it will go to this form 1. Okay, in form 2, after we text this info in the form 2, and then after we click the save button, it will pop up the message box, and if we click the clear button, it will clear all the text info that we already insert. Okay, let me show you. Okay, first we enter this just spontaneously, and then after that we click this button, it will go into this section A, into the buti-buti calon. Okay, when we enter the text and we click this jabatan, tina, number phone, semester, all those stuff, like this, and then after we click yes, it will pop up this message dialog to say that our info has been saved. And then after we click OK and we click the clear button, it will clear all the text like this. And after that, when we click the home button, we'll go back to this, and when we click this exit button, it will close the software. And then for form 3, I will pass for the form 3, which is section B. I will pass this to Murphy.
Thank you, Daryl, for passing the presentation to me. I will now continue. I will be presenting Form 3, which is B Kalayakan. So if I run the program, so you can just click here on this tab and this, oh sorry, that's wrong. And this one will appear. So here are text box and this is a layer box. Label, sorry, this is label and this is text box. And this is checkbox. So I can check it and I can type. And of course, this button I can clear, and yeah, I can save. And maklumat sudah disimpan. And then if I click the home button, it will bring me back to the home button, to the home page. So that is all for my part. I will now pass the next section to Russell.
My name is Russell, and thank you, Murphy. And the user will input all the details in here, and if they wanted to press save so that the data will be transmitted to the database, they will click this button right here, save. And if they want to delete the data from the database, they can use the clear button here. And if they wanted to go to the home page, they can click the home button right here. Next is the same also for the club, set 1 for Loa Polytechnic. It is exactly the same as before, and the functions of the button are also the same. Next, I will pass on to Felix.
Hello, a very good morning to Madam Farah and my fellow friends. Okay, so today I would like to present about the penamaan calon, and for my part, I will be talking about the form slide of Form 6. Okay, so before I start my presentation, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Felix Lai Muk Sheng, and my matrix number is 05DDT 20F2070. Okay, so in this slide of Form 6, we can see that here got pencadang and pengyokong. Okay, so what we need to do is only fill in our full names, our matrix number, our phone number, and also our email. And after we fill in all the information, you may save it, or if you type something wrong or you want to retype all the information, you can just clear it. Okay, and if you want to go to home page, you just press the button of home page. Okay, from here we can see that here got putih-putih calon, kelayakan, kelab and persatuan dalam politeknik, kelab and persatuan di luar politeknik, and also pencadang dan penyokong calon. Okay, so here is the interface. Okay, now let's move to the coding part. Okay, so if you press the label of putih-putih calon, it will show us to the slide of Form 2. It will be like this. Okay. The next one, if you press the label of kelayakan, it will bring us to the slide of Form 3, which will be like this. Okay, next, if you press the label of kelab, it will bring you to the slide of Form 4. Okay, which will be like this. Okay, and if you press the label of Kelab Persatuan Luar Politeknik, it will bring you to the slide of Form 5. Okay, it's look like this lah. Okay. Okay, for the next part about the button part. Okay, if you press the button of number 2, okay, button of number 2, which is the home button, it will bring you to the slide of Form 1. It will be look like this. Okay, so here is our home main page lah. It will look like this lah, including our group member. Okay. Okay, for the next button is button number 1. Button number 1 is button of clear lah. So if you press the button of clear, all the text box will become blank. Okay, and then you can refill your information inside it. And for the last part, it will be button 3, which is the save button. So after you fill in all the information, then you press the button of save button, and it will show maklumat Anda telah berjaya disimpan, which means that your information has been successfully restored. Okay, so I think that's all for my part. Okay, thank you for listening, and thank you for the attention. Thank you very much.